Alright. Shit. Sorry. Before we get started here, I just wanted to say a few things. This is the morning after. I'm looking over footage and editing it, best I can anyways, but um, I did a lot of filming in vertical mode because of how I have my phone set up on my dashboard. That's kind of the only way you can see things. That'll be changed pretty soon here. Thinking about getting a GoPro as well, installing it on my dashboard. Just because it looks better, it's easier to work with, and it's not an iPhone. Um, but yeah, I was kind of talking loud because I wasn't sure of the audio quality that I would get from the inside of my car. My windows were open, so I was curious if wind would affect that. But I don't know. I'm gonna try some new things with my slow-mo stuff too. Try and put some music in. Just learning how to edit here. I've never really done any of that before. It's my dog. But yeah, we'll pick up there. Um, yeah.
I'm vibing, we sliding, we pull up in the coupe. Since summer, I wondered if it would be you. No worries.
It's fucking insane. I didn't stall my car. Never done that. Not bad. Not great. Not bad though. Alright, let's try it again. Hey, my phone's still here. Cool. Look. Well, got it. Okay, so that clip you just saw was the first time I ever slid the G. It's the first time I slid anything really. But yeah, I couldn't get it to break away, and then I tried to clutch kick as I was turning and finally got it, I guess. But yeah, so don't make fun of me. I know I'm learning how to do things still. But yeah, so I'm gonna get coilovers here soon as well, a few days. Well, this is actually about a week after I recorded it. I have an exhaust on the car now, and some stuff I did to the interior as well. Coils will be soon. But yeah, then I'll try and learn how to drift, I guess, and have fun. I learned a little bit doing that. This is my first time, only time ever doing that, and then parked it because spraying oil. But yeah, the oil leak will be fixed soon too. Ideally, oh, it will be. But I have a timing cover in the trunk. But yeah, so learning how to do things. That was the first time I ever tried it, and it's kind of alarming because it didn't look like my LSD locked up. Because I did a one wheel peel, but yeah, I guess that can be addressed later on as I go. But yeah, it's pretty fun. Hopefully, I can try again, and I'll get good at it after I come back. So.